In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a CV from Novoresume. Now, the first thing you have to do here when you sign into your account and go to your editor dashboard, you want to, of course, create your CV, or if you have one already, you simply want to click on it over here, and it's going to go into the editor. Now, I'm just going to start from scratch over here just to show you how to do this. Then, of course, here you want to make sure you've built everything out, and when you're done, up top, you can see a bunch of buttons. To the right, there's a download button, so you want to click on download, and then here you can select if you want a PDF or TXT file. I'm gonna go with PDF here, and I'm gonna go and change it to CV1. Okay, of course you can change the name, whatever, and click on download PDF, and whenever you do this, there we go, your CV is gonna be downloaded from Novoresume. Now, of course, if you are using any premium features, so for example, if I go and use a premium feature in here, like for example this, then you won't actually be able to download it unless you upgrade. So in my case here, you can see, there we go, there's the file name, you can put it in here, but the download PDF button is going to only be available if I actually upgrade because I've used the premium features, okay? So keep that in mind when you are trying to do this. That's pretty much how to download a CV. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.